Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 2, Integers, Rational Numbers and Real Numbers, Exercise 2A, Question number 6 to 7, Intermediate Level. Question number 6. Part A, Absolute Zero, defined as 0 Kelvin, is the theoretical lowest possible temperature. This corresponds to a temperature of 273.15 degrees Celsius below zero. Represent this temperature using a negative number. Part B, the lowest point in North America is the Badwater Basin, which is 86 meters below sea level. Represent this altitude using a negative number. In order to represent a number as a negative number, just place a negative sign before the number. Part A, 273.15 degrees Celsius below zero equals to minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. Part B, 86 meters below sea level equals to minus 86 meters. Question number 7. Fill in each box with greater than or less than sign. Part A, due to negative sign, larger number becomes smaller and smaller number become larger. Here we have minus 4 and minus 6, so minus 4 is greater than minus 6. Part B, due to negative sign, larger number becomes smaller and smaller number become larger. Here we have minus 11 and minus 11.5, so minus 11 is greater than minus 11.5. Part C, if fractions have 1 in numerator, then the fraction having smaller denominator is larger than the fraction having larger denominator. Here we have 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 3, so 1 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon 5. Part D, since both fraction have different denominators, so first convert them to like fractions by making their denominators same, so multiply and divide 1 upon 3 by 2, after multiplying we have 2 upon 6. Now if two fractions have same denominator, then fraction having larger numerator is larger. So here 5 upon 6 is larger than 2 upon 6. But also due to negative sign, larger number becomes smaller and smaller number become larger, so due to negative sign, minus 2 upon 6 is larger than minus 5 upon 6. And reduced form of minus 2 upon 6 is minus 1 upon 3, so minus 1 upon 3 is greater than minus 5 upon 6. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.